Unity Health Harris Medical Center, and we get to meet a very interesting human being. This is Dr. Omar Aziz, A-Z-A-Z, and a guy who has a beautiful accent, and he's not actually from here, but tell us a little bit, Doc, of where you grew up, where you're from, and we'll start from there.
I grew up in England. I trained in England. I worked in England as a doctor for 7 years, 3.5 in OBGYN. And then I decided to come to America because my family lives in Colorado. And I worked in Texas for 4 years, so this is where I've been living.
Now
I learned to say yo.
There you go, say y'all. Yes, sir. Well, you being in Texas, and we talked about before we got on here, the unique thing that you talked about to me coming in here was that you lived in Lubbock, Texas for a little while, and then you lived in Newport, Arkansas for a little while, and you said that Newport, Arkansas was a lot like England as opposed to Lubbock, and explain that.
It's closer in terms of, well, I loved everybody here. The people are very, very friendly, and everything is green, as opposed to Texas, which is not green. But in terms of the environment, everything is very close to England. So the minute I landed in Arkansas, I was like, yeah, I'm staying here.
So anybody that's out there that ever complains about Newport, Arkansas, or Arkansas or whatever, listen to a guy coming from England right here and says he loves it in Arkansas. Been in Lubbock, Texas, and that's dry desert, no doubt about that. But well, let me ask you this, Doc.
I like Texas. Don't get me wrong.
Oh yeah, Texas, really beautiful country, beautiful country. What made you, as a young person, when did you decide, and how did you decide that you wanted to become a doctor, and why did you choose the field that you chose?
Well, I was influenced by my family, really. I've got so many family members who are doctors. So when I was a child, everybody used to ask me, what do you want to be when you grow up? It's like, oh, I just want to be a doctor, because I didn't know anything else, really.
Right, yeah.
So I think that was a main thing. It's just a family influence. But when I started reading about medicine in general, it's just a different kind of science. It's a special science, and it really attracted me. So I decided to go into medical school, and I became a specialist in OBGYN, because it's a special specialty. It's the only specialty where you look after two patients at the same time, the mother and the baby.
There you go. Never thought about it that way, but that is right, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. It's considered an intrauterine pediatrician, really.
Right.
It's the only specialty that combines medicine and surgery at the same time.
Right.
So it's a really different specialty.
It's a different specialty, really, but yeah, interesting to say the least. And well, and I got to ask you this: I mean, you're here officially, but not officially here to work. But kind of tell us about the dates that you're going to be here.
So I'm actually still in the process of moving. Still don't have my furniture yet. So.
Right.
But I'm starting mid-July.
Okay.
So my official starting date is the 16th of July.
Okay.
That's where I start my first clinic.
Good deal. I know you're looking forward to it.
Absolutely. I'm very excited about it. So,
May, we welcome you to Newport, Arkansas. We love our little town here. We think you'll fit in. You'll do great right here.
I love it. Everybody is very everybody has been amazing.
That is great.
And I also I'm actually honored to be working with Dr. Jackson and Dr. Jones. I've been really honored that they gave me the opportunity to join their practice. They're amazing.
Yeah, they been doing it a long time and are the leaders, no doubt, in their profession around north central Arkansas, and around the southwest United States, and been very, very good. And as a matter of fact, the doctor that delivered me was Dr. Jackson, but it wasn't this Dr. Jackson, it was his daddy.
Wow.
It was his daddy, so we've had a Dr. Jackson around here delivering babies for many, many, many years.
I've heard a lot about them, and everything has been good.
Everything
has been great. So I'm very excited about working with
Omar, good to see you, my
Thank you,
friend.
sir.
Welcome to Newport, Arkansas. Now tell me the two things you learned to say, y'all, and what was the other one you learned to say?
I'm fixing to.
I'm fixing to. If you can say y'all and I'm fixing to, I don't care if you're from England or anywhere else in the world. If you can say those, you fit right in Newport, Arkansas. Good to
It's
see you, my
true.
friend.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.